Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your AI perception. So basically how far away an enemy can see you or hear you from. So let's go ahead and get started. So around this AI character, you'll see this green circle or the green debug color circle and the yellow one. They're two separate. One is for sight and one is for hearing. So let me show you how to edit those. So I'll click on my AI character. And then this is the ACF Defender Enemy BP. And I'm just going to go over to this character and open this up in Blueprints. So I'll double click to open this up. So if you don't know how to do that, just click on this, hold Control B, and it'll take you to the file path in the content browser. Double click to open this up. And then while we have ACF Defender Enemy BP selected in our components, just look for the AI controller and it'll show AI controller class under pawn. Click on this find asset, and this will affect everyone for ACF Shield, AI controller in this case. And if you want to make it specific for each character, you can just duplicate these and name them appropriately and then assign it to your character. So double click to open this up. And down here, right above ACF combat behavior, you're going to look for AI perception. And when you're in the AI perceptions component, on the left, on the right, you'll see details, and you'll see two index at the moment, which is one is for AI sight configuration and one is for AI hearing configuration. And the dominant sense is selected as sight, and you can change this to hearing, prediction, sight, team, and so on. But today we're going to be focusing on just these two. So by default, your radius is probably a lot bigger. They're set to 2000 by default for both of these, and it gives a very large range of your AI characters to see you and come after you. So for example, if I hit compile and save, and this is just the default ones, and go to the testing map, hit control play, and then on your keyboard, you're going to hit apostrophe, like on one key left of your enter button, and you'll see these debug stuff pop up. And now on your numpad, so it'll show you at the top over here, it'll say 0 for nav mesh, 1 for AI, 2 for behavior tree, and so on. We need to hit 5 and enable this. And because it's grayed out, it just means it's disabled. So I'll hit 5, and now you'll see perception enabled. And it's only going to show mine, and that's just because I'm the current character selected. So what I need to do now is hit F8 on the keyboard to leave my character, and I'm going to go over to this AI and just left click on him. And now you'll see his range. So his hearing sense and his sight sense is increased to 2000, which is ACF's default. So now when I basically get to this bridge, this AI will be able to get aggro to me and start attacking me. So let's go ahead and try that out. So when I get to right here, he will be able to hear me if I move around, or if he sees me, he will start coming after me just like that. And now you'll also see his perception is targeted towards me, and I can try to lose him. And in order for me to lose him, I need to leave that red zone, which is which is really far away. And you can see that because I left the red zone, he stopped chasing me and he's going back to where he came from. So back in the ACF Shield AI controller, the one that I'm editing, I can set this to something like 500, and then the loose sight radius I can change to something like let's say 2000 if you want to leave the aggro pretty quickly or just a bit faster. And I'll change the hearing range from 2000 to, let's just do 100, because it's like a goblin character. They're supposed to be pretty dumb. I guess their eyesight might be a little reduced too. So now I'll hit compile and save. And now when I hit apostrophe on my keyboard and then hit 5 to show the perception, I'll go ahead and left click on him. I'll hit F8 to leave my character, left click on him, and you'll see now I basically have to be right next to him for him to hear me, but he can see me from up to halfway across the bridge. So basically has like a bat's type of vision. And if I go to the bridge area, or at least this much distance, he won't be able to see me. So from right here, he won't get any aggro to me, but if I do attack him, he will get aggro to me. So now he got closer, right in the range of his sight, so he can start attacking me. And you'll see these dots above their head. This just means if they're in a combat state or idle state. So you'll see that AI back there is currently in an idle state with that green symbol. And because I got in that 2000 range for this character, it is now in a combat state, and it becomes red as soon as it's about to attack me. And yeah, thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below if you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.